Hi, Alan Dandran. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I want to talk about the Superman dilemma. So, I was 4 years old on the balcony with my mother, and I told her I want to jump off and fly like Superman. She said, "Okay, do it." So, I put one leg over, and then I put it back. I was scared. I wasn't able to do it. So, I call that the Superman dilemma, which means if you could do something, why wouldn't you do it? So, in regards to everything and everyone on the planet, if you could do something, why wouldn't you do it? So it's finding reasoning in that area while at the same time sustaining freedom for our humanity. The second thing I want to talk about is sports like NFL, NBA, NHL, pro baseball. I see sports as a distraction from what's going on in the world. So it's like we tune into sports and we distract ourselves to escape the problems that we have in the world. And my opinion is that we might as well confront the problems that we have and overcome them. We might as well resolve the problems we have in the world instead of distracting ourselves. Because sports to me is like an unhealthy concept where it's like we're taking competition, adversity, and we're making it a trend in society, like how federations uh, uh, are separate from each other, how we have a bunch of federations worldwide separate from one another. And not only is there adversity, but there's actual conflict, war, and violence. So um, just like nations are segregated, and there's a clashing between nations, and we're not very well interconnected in the first place. So that's that. That's my opinion about sports. And then the last thing I want to talk about is how scientists use a philosophical format to find solutions for diseases, virus, and illnesses. And what a philosophical format is if A means B, then A also means C. But the thing is with this is these are constituents, and we're not actually dealing with the source of the problem, or we don't actually know what the source of the problem is by using these constituents. And what constituents are is aspects of the problem. So it's like you're playing with details or aspects without discovering the source of the problem. So I think what scientists should do is find the root causes of problems like illness and virus and diseases and a whole bunch of other things. um, okay. Till next time.